हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू वर्धन मित्तल यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही मज़ेदार चीज़ जिसका नाम है पेपर डिस्कशन। पेपर डिस्कशन नहीं, मैं आपको आज दिखाऊंगा कि आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट में कौन कौन से टेस्ट लिए जाते हैं और कौन कौन से टेस्ट होते हैं। तो चलो बिना किसी तरीके की वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले अपना सबसे बेसिक टेस्ट पे चलते हैं, जिसका नाम है FST। FST stands for fortnightly subjective test. As it is consisting of subjective word, that means it is for board examination, or we can say uh, your school examination, final examination, any school examination. Okay, it is for school examination. Okay, so let me show the paper of FST first. So this is our FST paper. See, this is called FST. Around there will be around 9 to 10 or 12 FSTs in a year. Okay, these are the FST papers, and it consists of question like this, and it is basically for your school examination and board preparation. And in Aakash you will also get pre-board for class 10 studying student, and for class 9 studying student this paper is of 9th only. You can check class 9, and it is based on Olympiad, integrated classroom course, and mathematics. These topics will be in this paper, and if you want to see, then you can also practice. I am showing you. Okay, pause the video and try. This is the back portion. So our next paper is AIATS. AIATS is also one of the best paper of Aakash Institute. It stands for All India Aakash Test Series, and it is around, in class 9 it is around 6 tests, and in 10th also it is around 6 tests, and it consists of 100 marks code A question paper, and then there are 3 code actually. First code is compulsory to attend, and the second B and C are optional. Like if you want to attend maths, then you can attend maths, and if you want to, like, code C will be your maths and code B will be your biology. If you want to attend biology, then go with code B, and if you want to attend maths, then go with code C. Okay, and it consists of 160 marks, as you can see here, 160 marks, and the duration of this time, this paper is 3 hours. Okay, and this is a very difficult paper in Aakash Institute, and also reputed paper. Okay, and it consists of negative marking also. Like in the code A, if you done some question wrong, then there will be around minus 0.25 negative marking, and 1 marks for correct answer, and no marks will be deducted for unattempted question. Okay, so you can see this is what called mental ability. This is very important for NTSE also. If you want to, like, this is the question of figure number of counting triangles. I have provided one video on this, how to count number of triangles quickly or fast. You can go and watch that video. Okay, I will put that video in my end screen or in the I button. Okay, you can see. So now there are around 6. Okay, I will show one more. This is 1, this is 3, this is 6, like many more. Okay, and this FST's answers you have to write in paper that is provided by Aakash Institute only. This is a subjective test answer sheet. Okay, this is corrected by a teacher. Okay, so in this way you have to write your answer. Now let me move to the next paper, which is very good paper for NTSE aspirants. Like you can see, this is NTSE 1, and it is got detached, no problem. This is test 3, this is test 5. If you are interested in NTSE, or if you are an NTSE aspirant, then you can check one of my video on NTSE. I will give the link of that video in the I button or in the end screen. You can go and watch it. Okay, this is NTSE, and it is an objective examination, and it consists of 2 paper. One is a scholastic aptitude test. You can see here, this is SAT, and another one is let me show you another paper also. This is NTSE mental ability paper, which is also considered of 100 marks and duration is 2 hours. Means total NTSE paper is of 4 hours. Okay, there are 3 codes to avoid cheating in the examination. Okay, so now after FST, when you, okay, let me write here also, next paper visa NTSC. Okay, and you can also attend FOT paper. FOT is basically available on iTutor. It is a online platform of Aakash Institute in which they also provide video lectures and many more things. Okay, this is available on iTutor. It consists of 25 marks and duration is around, I think, 1 hour. No, less than that only. I think around 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes is the duration. Okay, and they also provide you test related to PRMO if you are a PRMO aspirant. PRMO test is also available, but I am not having the PRMO test. Okay, and now we move to our next test. After you complete all the FSTs, you will get term exam like your school. In that also you have will get term test. Okay, this is term test. There are 2 term tests. One is for a half semester and another one is for second half semester. Okay, and after that you will get complete syllabus test, that is for whole semester. Okay, I will tell you one more important thing to score good in these examinations. If you score in 2 FSTs or 1 TT, this condition will be combined. If you score full marks in 2 FSTs and 1 term test, then you will get 50% or 1 of your semester. Means there are 2 semester, first half and second half. Your first half fee will be returned. Okay, this is a quite interesting thing that Aakash provide us. Okay, so I have told you now 4 examination. One is FST, AIATS, third one is FOT. I also told on iTutor platform. Number 4 PRMO, and one I told you about NTSC. These are the 5 tests conducted by Aakash Institute. FST around 12, AIATS 6, FOT is also around 8, and PRMO is seasonal exam, means it has a particular duration. Okay, so it is around 4, and NTSE is around 12. Okay, so these are the pattern. And one more examination I told you, let me write here, that is CST, that is complete syllabus test of whole semester, and 7th one is TT, term test. Okay, these are the tests. Term test are 2, and all these are objective tests. These are objective, and these 3 are subjective. Okay, these subjective will be divided into 2 parts. One is science and another one is maths. That means around 4 paper will be of your TT term test, and 4 paper will be your, not 4, it will be 2 paper will be of your CST complete syllabus test, and FST around 12 पेपर.
सो दोस्तों बस इतना ही था इस वीडियो में. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. सी यू सून.